Today I have for you this finger pulse oximeter. And what this does is this measures the blood oxygen levels in your blood. And this one also records your pulse. This one I really love because it is portable. It's rechargeable. It comes with its own case. Also comes with the Type-C to USB charging cable. And then there's a little instruction manual in the book, or in the box. So one thing that is suggested is to maybe give your fingers a little wiggle before you put this on. Usually this is worn on the index finger, and you want to stay still while you do this. And then if you find that your index finger is too small, like for a child, you can even do your middle finger or your thumb. But let me just show you here. So I've got a 99 and an 83. So you really get instant, quick results with this. So a really great little device, portable, can use it like if you're playing sports, maybe if you're in aviation, really handy little tool to have. This is the Finger Pulse Oximeter by L. Boargy.